Hello artists and creatives, it's Kristen here, and today we're going to be going behind the scenes of my business, Crescent Crown Designs, and I'm going to be showing you how I make my stickers. So we're going to be making a thank you sticker and a happy mail sticker today that I'm going to be able to put on the outside of my packaging when I send out products and gifts to people like you. So first all we need is a sketchbook. Let's go.
So here we have my sketchbook, and I'm going to start by just doing some loose sketching of some potential stickers I might want. I always like to start with this stage because it lets me just run wild. I'm going to mark the ones that I want to do. Next I'm going to take it into my iPad. I chose 3 designs to kind of run with, so you're going to see me here playing around with that in my iPad. I use Procreate as the app and my Apple Pencil. It's a really great tool for digitizing everything while still feeling really hand-drawn. So you'll see me playing around. I keep everything on different layers, which really helps me be able to edit each piece individually until I find one that the way I really want it to look. And this last sticker, I actually don't end up going with it. You can see me here struggling to create a crescent. I do have a vector of a crescent that I already have loaded, so I could have easily just used that once I put it into Adobe Illustrator. But afterwards I just really didn't like the way it looked, so I decided to go just with the happy mail and the thank you. So now I'm using my brand colors to color these in, kind of see what they'll look like. Then I'm going to take everything into Adobe Illustrator. I will use Image Trace to get my handwriting vectorized. And then I'll just create a new circle again with my brand colors. Make sure it looks like a sticker. I'm coloring that little heart in. And then what I'm going to do is export this as a PNG. So I can then take it into Cricut Design Space here. It gave me a little message that they're not supporting the web app anymore, but we're still going to use it. So I upload my images. I just use a simple upload, make it a print then cut, which is really important when you're doing stickers. So you'll see me here trying to make it smaller, print both of them, struggling a little bit. So I'm going to do 9 stickers each for each design. And once I've got that all set up, I'll go ahead and click Make It. And what I'll do first is print. This is my sticker paper. Just printing on my old printer. Those cut lines are really important. And I'm going to take it over to my Cricut. And the Cricut does all the hard work. These stickers are definitely larger than I anticipated. I don't know why I thought 2 inches would be smaller, so I'll definitely make them smaller in the future. It's still really cool to see them print. And I'm just going to trim these down to size with a little paper cutter so they're easier to store in my packing station. And this little thing just came actually with my Cricut. Super handy. Awesome, and then here we go, there's the sticker. Oh, I love it. We're just going to stick it to a little box. And she is all ready to be shipped out. Let's find some happy mail on the way. Love it.
And there we go, guys. We made our stickers. Look how cute they look on our packaging. I'm so excited to send these out with y'all, to say thank you, to deliver a little happy mail. You know, it was really easy just making these 2 quick sticker sheets, and now we're able to make our packaging just a little more custom. So hopefully you guys get to see these in person real soon. And otherwise, I hope y'all have a great day. I'll see you soon.